Hi everyone, this is a run through of a journal I've made using my new kit, Meadow watercolours. If I explain the cover, I made a little bouquet type affair to, there we go, to go on it. And then thought, oh, I really don't know. I will be listing this journal, so whoever buys it, I will put it in the envelope or in the box and you can suit yourself. I've called it Simply Elegant because that, in effect, is what that kit is all about. It's just very, very elegant, timeless watercolour botanical pictures. So 6 across, 8 3/4, 2-inch spine. So it's covered in a wool type fabric. So it came with a big label that said hand wash only. So ladies or people, if you get it dirty, you know, you got to hand wash it, can't bung it in the machine. So we've got a name tag actually, Simply Elegant. There's one of these Tim Holtz picture frames which I've just painted a very pale gold, and that's actually one of the ATC cards from the kit. Little butterfly, Tim Holtz fastener. I have I've cut some of the gold trim just to add a bit of interest to the spine, and plain apart from loads of bits on the back. A bit of satin ribbon fastening because it was the only thing I had that matched the colour. So if we go inside, I've actually done a pocket. I did a pocket on the last order and I quite like that. So we have a lace pocket on the front, just under 200 pages. So 3 kits altogether. Meadow watercolours, which is this one, Artie May's Nature Walk, and I've used my own blue collage kit. So I'll just point them out the first time and then you'll get it the second time. So nice lace pockets with a tag. These are shrunk down pages from the book that the kit actually came with, or the kit actually came from where I got the pictures from. So journaling spots, this is the blue collage paper. These little note cards that I've put on are actually ATC from the kit. So I've just paper clipped them on, and then whoever has this can put them, if they want to stick them down, as pockets, etc. Some poetry. Flowers. This is a England by month, I think it's called. Nature by month. And this is the Artie May's kit. Watermark main page. Say belly band. Some book page. Oh, that's actually on the book page. Oh, somebody's alarm is going off. Poetry. The second signature. So 7 signatures in total. So we have some more, the book page. Envelope with a little tag, that's actually part of the watercolour kit, Meadow kit. Collage. I tried to keep it quite fresh looking because I did think that the actual kit itself will suit either a modern one or a vintage one, so I thought, oh, let's sort of go in between. So I'm hoping that's what I've managed to achieve. Another collage on there. I do like this Artie May's kit, I have to say. And a third signature. Nice tag, big tag in there. And then we have dictionary paper. English countryside. Because the pictures are all of, well, the lady was English, who did the actual pictures for that I've used for this kit. I've gone for English countryside pictures. This is some parchment paper that I've stenciled a fern onto. Little tuck spot on the back of it. And the centre, that's the back of the parchment paper, that's got a tag in it. Now this one I did in the last custom order and I quite like this. So this is a fold out page. If I pull it over, so I've just taken one of the centres, one of the watermark centres, and folded it the other way this time. So a bit of extra journaling space. Some more poetry. And full signature. So another tag. Some more pictures and music paper. This is actually a dried flower that I've put between two bits of paper. I'm going to have to see if I can find some very, very thin vellum or perhaps even tracing paper. It's just come out a bit too, oh, I don't know, it seems to show up alright. I like the crinkly feel. This is another collage. This is on the back of an envelope. All the book pages. The back of the envelope, so another collage there. Loads of storage space, although I'm not a fan of sticking in other people's pockets for them. Always figure that you know where you want things better than most. So what we on? Fifth signature. Yeah, 5, sorry. I do think there is actually quite a bit of storage in here already. So you have the option with those ATC cards I put on. And that's a note card out the kit and I've just folded it over and clipped it on. Another parchment page and I've done a bit more stenciling. I just love the pretty primroses on that. And the centre. Back of the parchment, a bit more stenciling. Oh, it's another fold out page. So if I shift it over, you can see the full effect. So plenty of writing space on those, or if you like me, sketching. Let's pull that over. So signature number 6. A tag in there. Another collage on a paper bag, this one. Excuse me. It's another ATC card from the kit that can be stuck down wherever. I love the green on this. I thought the green actually went with the kit quite well. The bumblebees are an added bonus. Centre. back of the papers. That's the last of the collages on the paperback. And the last signature. So I have hidden in here another tag. Some of the shrunk book page. Another one out of the kit. Oh, fly, get out. English countryside. And the centre. Oh, at last there's a breeze. I have been dying from the heat this week. And the side tuck. Oh, a pretty little church. And there you go, on the back page, with another pocket and a tag in the back. So there we have it. It will either, it will come like this, and then that will be in the box if you want it on. If you don't want to do it yourself and you do want it on there, whoever buys it, just email me and I'll glue it on for you. Right, I will be listing this on my website, not on the Etsy store. So take care, and I will speak to you all later. Bye.